Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. Hope all is well. So today we're going to be taking a look at a pair of headphones, which I definitely think surprised me in a lot of ways. Now, these are called the Picun F6 hybrid active noise cancellation headphones, and these are going to have that transparency mode. It's also going to pack the ANC mode as well as spatial audio and head tracking. And so these are definitely going to be solid in a lot of ways, and I want to go through a lot of the features with you, as well as the overall experience, the comfort, the battery life, as well as the microphone. So make sure you guys stay locked in to the end of the video. If you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Hey, what's going on, guys? So starting out, I wanted to talk about the price, which is actually $69.99, but I was actually able to take advantage of the $15 off at checkout, making these a lot more affordable. So I'll make sure to leave the cheapest link down below. Now, you can get these in a silver, which I have right here, or the rose gold color, and you can see the first thing you're going to be greeted with inside of the box is a nice protective case, which is going to have the logo on it, and it's also going to have a really nice sturdy feel to it with a nice fabric texture material as well, and it's got that silver color to it. Another thing I noticed is that the zipper on the case doesn't get stuck whatsoever, so you won't have any issues opening it up or closing it when you need to. First thing we're going to be greeted with is the user manual, which is going to be giving you all the instructions included inside of the packaging, so you can basically get these operating right out of the box. You also do get this receiver right here. I think this is like for airplanes or something like that. And then you have another, wire right here, which is going to give you pause and play 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter as well. So I think this is going to be pretty cool. And so you could wear these with the wireless mode, or you could wear them with the Bluetooth mode. And you do get a cable right here to charge them up. So it's a short cable. Actually, it's a medium-sized cable, so it will stretch out pretty long, giving you some convenience when you're trying to charge them. You won't be stuck to the wall or whatever. And so the design of the headphones is actually a plastic material, and so that's okay, because a lot of the headphones that I've been using are made of plastic, especially at this price point. And not only that, you get the memory foam on the ear cups, which is also going to be really nice because the cans are going to bang, and so you're going to want to have some good comfort. And you also do get adjustable headband as well. But another thing to keep in mind is that these will swivel, but they won't fold. So you do have the option right here for 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, a LED light, the Type-C charging cable, the on and off button, as well as the power button. You get a 3D spatial button, so you can control the spatial audio as well as the head tracking when you touch that a single time. And then if you touch it again, it'll actually activate the head tracking along with the spatial audio. So even though these don't fold, what gives them an advantage over a lot of the headphones that are coming out right now that I've been reviewing is that these actually come with a case, which is going to allow it to be a lot more convenient for travel purposes. And so it's going to actually protect them and make them a lot more durable over the time that you're going to be using them. The buttons are pretty straightforward, and they're all located on that left side of the headphone, which I gotta get used to because I'm used to the buttons all being on the right side of the ear. And so I was quickly able to pair these up with my smartphone and connect them pretty quickly with the Bluetooth 5.4, which is also going to be awesome. So the first thing I noticed when I put the Picun F6 on is that they were extremely lightweight, and they also felt very comfortable because of the design. With the memory foam ear cups, they definitely felt really good over the ears, and they covered my entire ear. I also did like the head tracking on here, as well as the spatial audio. Whenever you turn your head a certain direction, the audio will actually be dominant in one ear, and you'll hear the surround sound kick in, and it's like wherever you turn your head, the audio follows, which is kind of a cool feature because it gives you immersive 3D like environment when you're using the headphones. You could also pair these to the Picun app, which is also going to be very straightforward and seamless. So you have the option on the app to find the headphones just in case you misplaced them. You also do get a low latency mode on here for gaming. And just to throw it out there, that low latency mode on the gaming was really good when it came to matching up the lips with the words and also synchronizing gunshots with the actual actions when you hit a button. Another thing is that you get about 10 EQ modes inside of here, as well as some presets that you can customize and tailor the sound so you can kind of adjust the highs, mids, and lows to your own personal preference. The transparency mode gives you the ability to do full transparency or allow you to just activate the voices, whereas the noise cancellation gives you an adaptive, a high, a middle, and a low, so you can actually customize it to adaptive, which will automatically kick in, and based on your environment it will give you the right sound quality to cancel out your environment from what you're actually hearing. And so these headphones are going to present multi-point connection, which is going to simultaneously allow you to connect two separate devices at the same time, so you can go back and forth in between them.
Hey guys, so this is just a quick microphone test with the Picun F6. So let me know what you guys think about the microphone quality in an outdoor environment. So just walk in, and this is just a quick sample so you guys can hear the microphones coming out of the headphones. So let me know what you guys think about the microphone quality, okay?
Do me a solid. If you're still here, just type down in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help boost the engagement. Another thing I noticed when it comes to these headphones is that they have noise cancellation, which gives you adaptive, high, low, or medium, and then the transparency mode gives you complete transparency and just transparency for the voices. So you have really good customization when it comes to the hybrid active noise cancellation, as well as the transparency mode, as well as the spatial audio and also the head tracking, giving you complete freedom to hear the music as you please. You also do get that low latency mode on here for gaming, which was actually exceptional because when I was gaming on here, I could hear the footsteps all around me in a 3D like environment, and wherever I turned my head, the sound went to that direction. So it kind of just felt like I was in an environment where I was able to experience the three-dimensional sound quality of the dynamic listening experience from the 45mm drivers. If I could come up with one word to describe the sound quality on these headphones, it was spectacular. I mean, these got really loud, but when the bass comes and hits on these headphones, it comes out of nowhere, and you hear a really long rumble with deep treble, and you could hear that really well, and it vibrates very nicely, giving you a realistic experience of how the track actually sounds like in a studio like environment. So it's gonna basically give you like a concert like experience when you have these headphones on. So it's a really good headphone when it comes to the highs, mids, and lows, and I really enjoyed the dynamic driver, which is going to be a 45mm driver, pumping out some really, really clear, crispy mids, lows, and highs as well. So you're going to get some very good noise cancellation on these. It's going to basically block out everything around you and give you a quiet environment. But if I was to point out one thing about these headphones, it's that they advertise themselves as high-res audio, but they only support AAC and SBC, so I just kind of wanted to throw it out there. But hopefully you guys did find this video helpful. If you're still here, just type down below in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we get this video out to more people and help boost the engagement. I'll hit you back. Check you guys later. Peace. Later, crew.